What's the meaning of contain? Contain. Contain.
Contain. Contain. The word contain means to hold or have within its limits or boundaries. It implies the presence or existence of something within a defined space or object. For instance, a container can contain various items within its volume. In context to disease outbreak, if we say that a person is infected with a contagious disease, she needs to be isolated to prevent further spreading of the virus, as the infected person could potentially spread the disease by coming in contact with other people. Therefore, containing a disease means preventing it from spreading to others.